Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Colors of Life with Fakiha. So as you guys see, I have a box in front of me. This is a Winter Wonder mystery box by Colourpop. I received my parcel almost 4 days ago but haven't opened it because I want to open this with all of you guys, and literally I don't have any clue what's in this box, so it is a mystery. This mystery box retails for 29 US dollars and total value is almost 90 US dollars. Actually, I am not sure. I totally forgot the value of the product. I tried to check it on website, but this is unavailable right now. Oh, one more thing I want to tell you guys that with this mystery box, I ordered 2 sets of Powerpuff Girls clips and a mirror. I think they packed it together, so just want to clarify that clips and mirror are not included in this mystery box. Now let's move on to the unboxing. I am very excited to see what I got in this mystery box. Let me fix the box first. And fix my camera too. Yes, that's fine, I think. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, wow, it has Hello Kitty stickers. So cute. And these are clips which I was talking about. Okay, so it has 3 clips. Like I said, 2 pairs I already ordered, so these were not included in the mystery box. This one included in the mystery box. This is serum, I think. Doll lashes. Bath soak. Let me take out all of the things and then we talk about that. This is gloss. This eyeshadow. I like the way they pack all things individually in bubble wrap. This is Milan powder blush. Well, let's talk about this one first. So like I said, this is a mirror. This is not included in the mystery box. I ordered it separately. These are glow oil, body glow oil. Yeah, both of them. So all of these things are included in this mystery box. First is stickers. And second thing is sparkling, invigorating bath soak. The smell is so nice. This is the box. Now let me keep this aside. Now this is glow oil, body glow oil. In golden, golden shade. Golden glow oil. This is second glow oil in moonstone. Oh God. Moonstone glow oil. Now these are doll lashes, Barbie doll lashes. This is gloss. This is nice. Nude glittery gloss. So this is Cactus Hydrating Serum Boost. So basically it's a regular hydrating serum for face. This is Milan Pressed Powder Blush. This is how it looks. Second last product, pressed powder eyeshadow in sorbet. It has 4 colors: glazy, scooped, extra syrup, and drizzled. And these clips. Now, my views are mixed on this mystery box. I'm not saying that I don't like it. I like few things in this box, not all of them. I was expecting everyday or regular use products in this box, like lipstick, lip pencil, or blush, if it makes sense. Not everyone use body oil or serum. I only like lip gloss and pressed powder in this whole box. In my opinion, quantity does not matter, quality matters. Here I'm going to end this video. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this mystery box. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.